Hello, my name is Ryan, and in this video I'll be showing you how to solder new connectors onto a battery and ESC for use in an RC vehicle. The first step is to prepare the wires to receive their new connectors. How you do this is you have to remove the silicone insulation from the wires themselves. And you do this by cutting around them with a hobby knife and simply pulling it off, exposing the silver braided wire. After you have all 4 wires stripped, now it is time to tin them. To do that, first we must turn the soldering iron on. Second, we have to uncoil some solder and set it up in a hook like this. After you do that, you have to tin your iron by touching it to the solder. Hold your hot iron onto the wire. And just like that, the wire sucked all the solder up and it's tinned. After you've tinned all the wires, now it is time to tin the connectors. To do this, first, you're going to tin your soldering iron again. Hold it to the top of the connector. Just dab a little bit of solder to each tab. Just that easy. After you have the plugs tinned, it is time to pre-install the shrink tubing onto all 4 wires. We have to pre-install it because after you put the plug on, you won't be able to slide it over the wire. On to the next step. Alright, after you've installed the shrink tube, now you can attach both connectors, and you do that by first preheating both ends. After you have that completed, you simply stick them together, hold them for a couple seconds, then take the heat off. After you have the connector soldered on, now it's time to finish them off with the heat shrink tubing. You slide each tube up. Over the bearer lead. Get a lighter. And shrink them down. And just like that, connector's on. And for the battery, same thing. Slide each one on. And shrink it down. Another connector done.